last night. He just slammed me.
My husband doesn't only touch me, he slams me.
Why is it between my two lips?
If it's not mine. That sounds so wrong, guys.
Potato. She has to go there because her husband doesn't touch her. मेरे डैड का सलमान खान के घर रोज आना जाना, मैं मेरी बचपन की सारी वीडियोस में.
Why am I putting it in my mouth?
Like she won't go there, but she went.
I have till in place I can't show.
Give me one of your pink, I'll give you my black.
He'll touch you whenever you want. Whenever he wants. Sing your favorite song.
मैं नैया बेपरवाह बस खुदी मेरी ढूंढ दे फिरा.
And 2 cups. Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never. Welcome to Two Girls and
Two Cups.
We're certainly back to Thailand after 3 episodes.
You know you've been cracking this Thailand.
It's not-
whatever it is. You've been saying it every episode, and every episode we cut it. So why don't you stop?
We kaya?
Yeah.
Sick. आज हमारे साथ है one of the country's best singers today. If today was 2018.
She wants to win 1 Grammy of India, which is something you can say if you are on 1 Grammy of.
She's hot, she's talented, she's a multitasker, and she's not here. So please give it up for who's here.
Akasa Singh.
You know that 20. Hello, yay! That 2018 joke was
Good. By good, what do you mean?
true, actually. Because that's the last time I was valid. I feel 2018, 2019. That's when my 2 hit songs came out.
Your hit songs are just coming. Wait and watch.
Yeah.
After this podcast, your career is going to go nowhere.
Hi guys, this is very awkward silence. Am I supposed to say something? Thank you so much for having me
Why
on
are you?
your podcast.
Let's address this. Why are you awkward with silences?
I don't know.
She's a girl, obviously.
She's a singer, na?
No, I don't think that has anything. Singers are very silent and mysterious
तो
also.
तुम्हें क्या हो गया फिर?
Mysterious वाला वो पता नहीं कहाँ. Mystery हूँ पर mysterious
पर तुम
नहीं.
ऐसे awkward होती होगी अगर कभी silence में, तो तुम तो हम करना शुरू कर दिया करो. हम.
That is even more awkward.
Imagine you're saying something, you said something very awkward and everyone's silent and I'm like, na 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 na. That's
Of all
worse.
songs, she has chosen na 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 na
I don't know why. Just chosen my own song.
As your mind works, you could have chosen your own song. She's like, I could have chosen my
Imagine,
That's why I was valid in
Akasa,
2018
imagine
was.
Akasa in a lift. Okay, there's awkward
Oh
silence.
my
Usually
God.
in a lift there is awkward silence, and then she's like, na 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 na. That is
And I will also look everywhere else. They'll be like, ये चोर वोर तो नहीं है.
But I want to know कि कौन सा singer खुद का गाना हम नहीं करता.
I think सारे. तुम इतना पक चुके होते हो. Like every time I'm
Yeah,
sorry to
that's
say, someone's like sing a song, and then I'll just be like, don't say Nagin, don't say Nagin. Like मैं नागिन गा दूंगा.
Guys, अगर आपको पता नहीं इनकी खूबसूरत शक्ल देख के कि उन्होंने कैसे अमेजिंग गाने गाए हैं, हम आपको बता देते हैं.
चलो 3, 2, 1.
नागिन गिन 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 कितने
12.
गाने?
Yeah.
Very
I
precise.
reached 12 hours counting. But it was
नागिन गिन 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 गिन
दिन
गिन
गिन
गिन तुम्हें गिन नहीं आती ऐसे गाने गा के?
Nagin, then gin.
So basically you're telling the Nagin to count the days.
No, I am the Nagin and I'm saying मैं दिन गिन के मर गई because it's been so long कि तेरी बीन सुने परदेसी. It was quite scientifically written.
Oh, it's been
नागिन
long.
दिन गिन 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 सुन के मर गई. और have you guys heard this song? तू खींच मेरी फोटो, तू खींच मेरी फोटो. So that फोटो पे जो हरकत होती है ना, उसमें
बार कर
मेरे को
दो.
एक बार हिलाओ.
तू खींच मेरी फोटो.
मैं गा रही हूँ. तू गा रही हो.
She went photo. That's exactly what.
So guys, आप ये गाना तब भी गा सकते हो जब आप एक प्लग लगा रहे हो ना, हाथ गीला करके प्लग लगाओ.
या स्पीड ब्रेकर पे खींच मेरी
फोटो,
फोटो
तू खींच.
probably that. Yeah, वो भी हो सकता है.
That's great. So can you sing it once?
Of course I can. But you all already sang it.
Okay, sing any song.
Oh, sing that song, na? That sweet little song. Out of all the very pop songs that you've sung, there's
Which
one really sweet song.
दिल ना जाने.
Yeah.
You didn't know, na? You were just like,
No,
what खुद ही बोल
I
रही
know the tune.
थी. What is it?
Na, 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 na,
Oh, yeah, okay, fine.
na, na, like that.
Huh,
Huh,
yes.
that one is cute.
That I can sing.
Sing now.
Very singable. ये चलती हवाएं ले जाए कहाँ एक दूजे के जाने बिना कब दो दिलों की हुई यारियां दिल ना जाने You guys can also sing it. I actually
Wow.
sing it.
What a voice!
Thanks,
And
man.
what a
ये तुम्हारे
nice
गानों में क्यों नहीं पता चलता इतना
पता नहीं
अच्छा?
यार ये जो मैंने अच्छे गाने गाए हैं वो लोगों को पता ही नहीं कि इसी ने गाए हैं sometimes when I sing there'll be comments like अच्छा ये गाती भी है and I'm like नहीं मैं सिर्फ दिन गिन 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 करती हूँ बस
आज के बाद तुम्हारी वो
Yes.
इमेज नहीं चेंज होने वाली बट हम ट्राई करेंगे
but I'm trying like
but why listen you have to sing more in this episode please
for sure as long as it's not Nagin and Keech
you can sing what you want
because you all just sang it now there are other very pretty songs you all will discover and maybe the audience will discover
which
the
is
other
the
songs.
latest song this one
There was, I don't want to talk about that one, but there was a song in Sikandar, the title track, the movie that I don't think you all also watched. I also didn't watch,
Sikandar.
but it was on Sallu Bhai. So
oh
Sikandar, Naujin, that.
Hmm.
And there was a recent one, Malik, from the film Malik. You know the Rajkumar Rao trailer that just came
Oh
out?
yeah.
Yeah, everybody thinks it's a guy who sung it, but that's my voice. That yeah.
wait one
'Cause-
second what
Sab pe raaj karega. Ma, that's how I
Ooh.
sang it. So my dad also, I sent it, and my dad is like, thumbs up. Whose voice is this? And I was like, it's me.
that's a compliment
Yeah.
because you're so versatile that I mean I know it's not it is a compliment
Father,
that's I mean
who's also a singer, by the way.
I
So-
don't know what your relationship with your father is
Yeah,
like.
you
I don't
come
want
from a
daddy
musical
pretty good.
family.
Yeah.
Yeah. तुम्हें भी तुम्हारे दोस्त छोटा
Oh
सरदार
my
बुलाते हैं
God.
ना?
I had to feel-
Really?
I was like, she's waiting to say.
हाँ,
Really?
तो
दोस्त
उसी
नहीं एक ही जन है.
तो उसी के ऊपर एक सवाल पूछना है मुझे.
Why do I feel like I know what the सवाल is? No.
I don't know what this all is. I want
I feel like I know.
5 भटूरे हैं और पांचों के 5 आपने खा लिए तो क्या बचा?
You answer this. What would your answer be?
Chole.
See? That's what it's supposed to be. Okay, when the actual joke was asked, a teacher asked, and she was basically trying to say if 5 are taken out, how many are left? So the kid was supposed to say 0. But he said chole. And then Rachit, who's my acting coach, asked me. He's like, अच्छा खासा अगर 5 भटूरे होते हैं और पांचों के पांचों तो खा जाए तो क्या बचता है ना? I was like छोले. He was like मैंने छोले तुझे बोला मैंने तुझे भटूरे बोला. So that's the joke. That's why he's like the छोटा सरदार and I was like
People won't get it, okay? Only we will.
exactly. See,
Fine.
because she's a Sikhni, huh?
I would also be like chole, of course. Chole is
Make
left.
fun now. No, she's also the same.
No, but she has a problem. You know, she does not have many. Like she wants lots of friends in her
She
life,
doesn't have.
so she tries very hard. And whenever there's a guest that comes, she somehow manages to impress
Be
them by
relatable.
saying, "I'm from Delhi. I'm a Sikhni." Something she'll find some connection. If there's no connection, she'll be like, "There is." आपको बस पता नहीं है. And then she'll invite them home, and then she wants people to be part of her cult. She's a bit scary, so
Cult?
just be
One
careful.
second.
But you're
She
a
has
part
a
of a
cult.
cult that means.
Arey,
No, I'm not.
my husband makes great Parsi chai. Why wouldn't anyone want to come home for that?
After every
That's another
episode, they are
one.
invited for Parsi chai,
I'm
and then
in.
something
Yeah.
happens.
Yeah. I will go
I have not found all those guests after that day. So I'm just letting you know.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, pretty
Actually, I
much.
drink only coffee.
I have a great coffee machine.
See, she does this.
Mostly the people who have come here, I have known them from before. But recently now she started getting her people and I have sort of invited them and had plans with them. So she's feeling a little
You've
jealous.
already had that plan.
Bum bum bum.
She's so weird, man. Guys, Saloni is really weird. That's another episode.
Let's ask Akasa some questions. थोड़ा
हाँ.
उधर
और
ही-
क्यों?
तो
Sorry.
आपके गाने ना हमने सुनने के लिए स्पेशली Spotify डाउनलोड किया था.
Why are you calling it that? Is that some legal thing?
No.
You're just calling it Spotify.
Because आपके गाने तो Spotify में ही होंगे ना.
Even the last one I sang.
नहीं.
हाँ, नहीं.
Apart
Actually,
from that.
1 second you were telling us about the last song. Can you sing
हाँ,
it?
oh yeah. What is
Malik.
your last song?
हाँ.
I mean, I can. It's one line. I don't sound like myself. Okay.
But now people will know that.
Yeah. Don't laugh, okay? It's my voice only. सब पे राज करेगा मालिक हक से आज करेगा मालिक वो ही एक हुक्म का इक्का बाकी कच्चे सब नाबालिग. Actually, that's what goes on for 5 times.
But that's really nice,
That's
yeah.
all.
किसने गाया अभी?
अभी तो I made it little feminine. I've actually sung it like सब पे राज करेगा. I don't know why I did that.
अरे, आसा?
You know it?
No.
He also doesn't sound this.
But I saw you both made a reel
We
singing
sing together. Yeah.
And you
It's my
generally
brother.
sing together?
Yeah.
रियाज करते साथ में या मतलब गाने
नहीं
भी
रियाज सिर्फ वो करता है, मैंने आज तक किया तो नहीं. Yeah, he's the that one sibling who's like very
Like, does
perfect
it,
growing
yeah.
up.
That's why his name is Asa. Na?
What is Asa?
They had Asa from him.
But that's actually probably true because he was the nicer sibling growing up.
He's younger.
ये
older?
समझना आसान नहीं होगा तुम्हारे लिए.
वाह, मैंने सुना है कि आपके गाने इतने अच्छे इतने अच्छे हैं कि जब आप स्टूडियो में गाती है तो प्रोड्यूसर बोलता है वाओ 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 लेट्स कॉल द सिंगर नाउ एंड रिकॉर्ड इट.
Yes.
ऐसा हुआ है आपके साथ?
मेरी पहले I love how ये सब ट्रोल मैं हो चुकी हूँ क्योंकि not for the same reasons.
It's original,
But,
please.
True, but that's also because the 2018, the one song that came out, which was my debut music video, I featured in it. So tabhi not a lot of singers used to dance and be basically item girls in their own models in their own videos. So I was so excited. Song came out. Also, my eyebrows were much bigger than this. Tabhi.
Wow.
What are you saying? They were
60,
connected
yeah,
to
they were
your
bigger.
hair?
They were like those Japanese anime characters. नहीं होते. My brother calls me that. अब थोड़े पतले हो गए.
क्या वर्कआउट किया ये पतला करने के लिए?
Threading.
ऐसे ऐसे.
Yeah, I can do both,
Lifting.
but
Oh, nice.
you do one, two.
Can you do
Yeah.
this?
Sure. I want to see. Sure. हाँ, so you were saying then?
I forgot what I was saying. हाँ, so
That
उसमें
you-
half the comments were like, oh please madam threading करा लो eyebrows की blah blah.
हाँ.
Who's the singer? Who's the singer? Who's the singer? ये किसने गाया है? जबकि full face मेरा ही था. So I've already been people. It took me 2-3 music videos for people to know I'm also a singer. So it's okay. I've already had that identity crisis where.
But we really want to say that thank you for contributing the kind of music you contributed to the music industry. Because that helped us to identify good music.
You're most welcome. I'm always in service.
But we had a singer recently come on the show. I hope उसका episode बाहर निकला है. But
Who?
I hope
Tell
मतलब
me in
जब तक
कान में.
मतलब
Tell me कान में.
Shahid Malia.
Oh nice. So an actual singer, not like me.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm glad you said it on your own.
I feel like you were good.
it doesn't work like this. Then
you're
we have
supposed to
फिर
do it.
हमको तारीफ करनी पड़ेगी.
Oh shit.
कि नहीं यार
You
तुम
only
अच्छा
have to
गाते
shed
हो.
tears.
They're already coming. Can you not see? I'm like laughing, but I'm like, I think मेरे थोड़े आंसू भी निकल रहे हैं. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या हो. नहीं तो
पैसा
मैं.
एक बहुत अच्छा मोटिवेशन होता है और
पर फिल्म के
दूसरों के साथ
गानों के लिए कोई पैसे नहीं मिलते. तुम 50 बार भी वो सेम गाना गाओ and then replace कर then you're like, okay, so what did I do in this?
also when you record a scratch you
exercise.
don't get paid for it.
No.
Sometimes not even for the final. What?
तो इसका मतलब ये है कि जब आप ये आपने इतनी सारी जो फिल्मों के गाने गाए हैं
हाँ.
जो eventually has made it to the final cut that
Yeah.
has taken like
A lot
that
of
means it's almost like when you get rejected so many times
auditions.
and you've done so many even like
Not
and
so
very
many.
no but like
a few.
famous ones
हाँ.
which have done really well even if it is कौन सा कटरीना वाला गाना था Ethea such a big film such a big
But all her
production
song lists
have
the list
done
of the
very
songs
well.
are
So
very
I think
nice.
you are the creme de la creme. Creme de la creme?
And she has this. I don't know the right word, but there's a pop in your voice. Like there's energy in your voice.
Yeah, like do you think your hotness helps?
My voice?
No, not your voice, but like just your
Oh, me
presence.
getting. I wish.
It doesn't?
Not in the studio. I don't. I mean, I in the beginning I used to think, but then but इतनी बार replace होने के बाद I'm like,
I
यार
was
ये क्या
like-
चप्पल ही पहन के जाती हूँ स्टूडियो क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार कोई मुझे देख तो रहा नहीं है so
मेरा coquette look is not working
not
really.
working.
What is coquette, guys?
Ask Sabrina Carpenter.
My God. Coquette क्या होता है?
Why?
But actually now that I'm thinking about
मैं
also I don't think I've ever sung this song in a non-mosquito voice. If you think about it, it's such a
Yeah.
because I don't know the lyrics. I don't think I've ever sung it
That
properly.
sound like a mosquito.
It does. Because you
It's like that irritating one. Na?
Yeah.
But do you not like? Do you guys not make up lyrics of these English songs
Oh,
that you
that-
sing? Like there's so many songs जिसके मुझे lyrics बिल्कुल नहीं पता, but I
मैं
make it
खुद
up.
के गानों के lyrics stage पे बनाती हूँ and the funniest is when the audience is just you can see them and you're like ये गलत गा रही है पर ये इसी की सिंगर है तो शायद ये दूसरा वर्जन होगा and I'm like मैं तुम्हें उल्लू बना रही हूँ तुमको नहीं
So
मालूम
that is out.
ये तो कुछ भी गा रही हूँ मैं but yeah
There are so
English?
many
किसी भी गाने?
songs that असजा है हा हे ले ले तूने मेरे तो तैनी लोला दिगा दे दे
Ubi
गुबी
and
ना
a
बिदी
bidi
बिदी.
it is we did it
I didn't say Willy Didi.
yeah I think everyone has a different
What
line.
about तुम्हारी माँ ने बकरी काटा पागल मेंढक बॉय तुम्हारी माँ ने बकरी काटा मेंढक बॉय तुम्हारी माँ ने पागल काटा मेंढक
Oh my
boy. Hazale huggala gasolina.
Ay, gasolina.
I thought they say everybody gasolina. Everybody gasolina.
We say galaga.
They could be saying everybody, but
Okay.
we don't know that.
Yeah, we
so
don't.
we are saying anything.
Make our own thing.
I
Did
love
you
this.
make this up?
Yeah.
No, this is
'Cause
what
it is-
everyone used to say.
Oh, I thought you used to just
तुम्हारी
say
माँ ने
नहर
बकरी
बता
काटा
पता
पागल
वाला
मेंढक boy.
तुम्हारी
Yeah,
माँ
I
ने
Say it
बकरी
fast.
काटा मेंढक boy. तुम्हारी
माँ ने
माँ
बकरी काटा पागल मेंढक boy.
came up with
तुम्हारी
this.
माँ ने बकरी काटा पागल मेंढक boy.
So many songs like this. मैं तो टाइटैनिक के भी गाने ऐसे ही गाती थी.
एक ही गाना है टाइटैनिक का.
वही वाला.
अच्छा.
वो वाला था ना
I
लगान
I
में.
see you, I feel you.
लगान.
गाना नहीं.
My heart is speak 1,000 words.
I
I'm
feel
feeling
eternal
kinda
bliss.
bliss.
The roses are red,
Why
the
do you know all
violets are
these lyrics? मैं तो कुछ भी गाती थी.
तुम्हें नहीं पता क्या गाती थी
मैं
तुम?
तो शाइनिंग इन द लोगों को पता था सेटिंग्स जो भी जितना भी वो होते थे मैं तो वो शाइनिंग इन द सेटिंग्स ऑन मनोर अपॉन दी मुझे पर्ल अपॉन दी ओशन भी नहीं पता था लोगों को वो
It's
पता
Pearl
था.
upon the ocean. It's Pagal Pondi Potion.
No.
What?
Shining the setting sun like a
Pagal
Pagal
Pondi
Pondi
Ocean.
Ocean ना?
Pagal Pondi
Pagal
Ocean.
Pondi
ocean.
Amen. आगे?
Like a Pagal Pondi Ocean.
Like a feeling. It's a feeling.
I think a
There's
Pagal
no
upon the
feeling in
ocean.
that. It's come and feel me.
Oh, come and feel me. Oh.
I recently read the lyrics and I was like, ये तो गलत लिखा है, ये तो गलत है, ये
अच्छा
ऐसा
तुम
तो
ये
नहीं।
करते हो 3 बजे रात के.
अरे ये शो पे गाना था मुझे तो
अच्छा।
फर्स्ट एक दो शो में तो कर लिया मैंने Come and feel me. फिर मैंने जब पढ़ा मैंने कहा what ये तो कुछ और ही है भाई.
वो भी है ना गेंदी पॉप पप्पी शेम
Yeah, pop the jam है वो.
Oh.
Pop the jam. It's a like a way to say can we pop? Come on, let's jam or whatever. मैं तो पप्पी शेम आज
गेंदी
तक गाती
पॉप
हूँ.
पप्पी शेम.
I still sing that even though I know.
I think you are getting the wrong lyrics. The right lyrics you come to us.
Yeah.
Now I will. Pondi
From
Ocean.
your show you can call us backstage. We'll
Yeah,
tell
we
you.
take
Like, what is
500
this?
We
rupees.
got your back.
500 rupees per lyric.
अच्छा per line or per song?
Per
Per
lyric.
lyric.
अच्छा एक एक
Lyric.
line.
Per
एक
lyric.
एक
पागल
word.
Pondi Ocean का I owe you 500.
पागल पौंडी ओशन का you owe 1500.
से वैसे तो मुझे शो पे भी नहीं मिलती.
You can take our card, call us.
We have to get a card made now.
But उसके पास नंबर है हमारा. नंबर
कार्ड पे क्या लिखोगे?
नाम और नंबर.
Naam or number. We have many businesses actually. We
Yeah,
can't write
so we
all
can't
of
write the business name because we have other
Interesting.
business also.
See,
Like
them. You
for
have
example-
fans. We have only fans.
so that's also the other business. If you want to watch, we give discount. We
Yeah.
also have Suhagrat.
Did you okay?
Suhagrat decor.
देखो तुमने अपना माइक पकड़ के करियर बनाया है, हमने भी माइक जैसी चीजें पकड़ के ही अपना करियर बनाया है. We have many tattoos.
How did you see them? There's
How
like
many?
one.
I can see. I
Yeah,
think
there's
you're one tattoo away from being a QR code.
Scan करके देखें इसको.
I thought it was Gajini because they're all like reminders to myself and legit on my fingers.
That's a baby fairy.
Let me scan.
How is that?
Why have you seen that? That is supposed to be hidden forever. I thought you were seeing this one.
How is that baby fairy?
Okay, I'll tell you what.
Please tell me.
That one doesn't count.
Oh,
But-
Because
Oh.
which 17-year-old is allowed to get a tattoo? You know, you're from Bombay. Both of you are from Bombay,
Delhi.
This she looks.
no? I mean, I don't know.
Why did you take that
You
pause?
don't talk like.
My Delhi audience wants to know.
I love Delhi. All my listeners are from there.
Can you tell
जो
how you're
तुम्हारे-
like vibing
जो
more
तुम्हारे
with
नागिन
me
वाले
versus
गाने हैं
her?
ना वो मेरे किशनगढ़ में चलते हैं, ठीक है? हाँ, और किशनगढ़ से जब गाड़ियां निकलती है ना तो वो एथेया और नागिन और फोटो
पर मेरे
खींच कर करके
listeners उधर से ही
पता
है।
है मेरे को लोगों
हाँ,
ने.
ये उसको ईव टीजिंग बोलते हैं.
That's also
मेरे
true.
किशनगढ़ के इलाके में ना वो फोटो
एथेया
खींच
एथेया
मेरी
करके जो ईव टीजिंग की है लोगों ने, वो खींच मैं खींचू तेरी फोटो.
गाने तो इसके है ना,
Where is Kishangarh?
right next to my house. I live in Vasant Kuch. Vasant Kuch has a wall and then there is Kishangarh.
I know Vasant Kuch. I've heard of many people like I'm from Vasant Kuch.
Yeah, but they don't tell you that right next to it is Kishangarh.
It's the thin line.
And जहाँ पे उसे नागिन गिन 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 करके लोग ऐसे करके मेरे फ्लैट को ऐसे देख के मुझे बुलाते थे फोटो खींच तेरे गाने लगा के. तो तेरे फॉलोअर्स उधर है तो सोच समझ के बोलना
मैं दिल मैं तो मैंने बोला ना I love Delhi ऐसे थोड़ी. I just said you don't look like from Bombay because Delhi people have a different aura.
I don't look like from Bombay.
No, you look like you're from Delhi.
But I am from Delhi.
I know, so it's a compliment, yeah.
But
Do you
we-
think we look as cool as you? Not really. I had a feeling. You know, I was watching. Suddenly, the guest Hansal Mehta. I was like, यहाँ क्या इनको किसी ने does he owe them something? What is happening? What
I
is
think he
happening?
owes
Guess.
something.
I think he owes.
He owes
He owes. What do you owe?
something to he owes. I also don't know why he came.
तुम लोग को रिश्तेदार है?
नहीं यार,
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
हमारे कोई रिश्तेदार नहीं है इस इंडस्ट्री में. हाँ नहीं, इसका फिर भी इसके डैड 90s के बहुत अमेजिंग विलेन थे. हाँ मैं फोटो दिखाऊंगी.
I don't
That's
know.
your dad.
You've seen her?
Of course, I've seen him. I know this guy. He used to be a
Doesn't he
villain,
look
but
like
he used to
him?
be a comic.
Okay,
villain.
Yeah, correct. Luxury of
That's
choosing
actually
with
your
that.
dad.
Yeah.
Dude, he's iconic.
Yeah.
So many of these.
पर उन्होंने मुझे फिर nepotism का
वो
taste
मेरे
भी
डैड ने भी
कराया.
ऐसा ही किया. मेरे डैड का सलमान खान के घर रोज आना जाना. मैं मेरी बचपन की सारी वीडियोस वहाँ पे. अब
How? What did your daddy do?
He's a singer. He still sings. He does gigs and all. But in the 90s, he was like, he had a couple of really big hits.
Say?
Like say na tell na.
I don't know if your dads might know. It's like a sharab ka gana. The song सब तो मिला के पीते हैं.
Of course.
पानी
Excuse
शराब
me.
में.
That is your dad's
Yeah,
song?
like, what?
Yeah,
that's
of
my dad.
course.
And that's my dad in the video with the pony. He doesn't look like my dad. He's a cool
No.
guy. He's a cool guy. Oh,
You
he's-
both have iconic dads.
dude.
My dad is also very
Yeah, I
iconic
mean,
in the
what the hell,
corporate
man?
world.
What the fuck? Why are you
In the
being
corporate world. and
Yeah,
he's
that's
also-
where it matters. Because if he wants to get you a job, he can.
If he wants to buy you a house in Bandra, he can.
He
Yeah,
did.
he did. Exactly.
Okay, wait now. What's your
तुम
daddy's
rent
name?
पे रहती हो ना?
What's your daddy's name?
Arvinder Singh.
Singer है तू singer.
Singer daughter है. सब जानना चाहते हैं.
Hey,
अरविंदर
what a
सिंह की
good. This is
बेटी.
your dad?
Yeah, that's my dad.
1 second.
No.
This is your
Of course I know.
One
him.
of my friends was like, "Your dad is such a daddy." I'm like, "Yeah, he is my." And then I realized what she's saying. I'm like, "Don't ever."
I was
do
just
that
going
in
to say
front.
that, but I will not.
Yeah, because if he watches it, then he'll judge us. But
Firstly, he's not going to watch this. I'm going to make sure he blocks from his profile. I'm going to just be like, block.
Very good looking dad.
Sorry.
We have
Arvind-
daddy issues.
Arvinder ji, call me.
You know that little kid who
Call me. I want to tell you something about your daughter.
eats...
Sure,
what
yeah.
you want to tell him?
Something complaints.
And then after you're done calling her, you can call me.
She also has some complaints.
So you get your singing. Does your mom also sing?
My mom was into music, but she was one of those who gave up when she had us and got
Yeah.
married. But she would have been more iconic. She was in a Kathak dancer. She was in Hema Malini's ballet troupe. So she was like an actress and everything.
You
She's
have too
beautiful.
much talent
in the
coming from your parents. Yeah, it's
A lot.
beautiful.
and they both
Did your brother get the poise and the?
he's little bit more introvert, like he hesitates and I don't. But yeah, I think he got it. He got the अरे मेरी बहन पागल है तो मुझे थोड़ा normal
थोड़ा
रहना
normal
पड़ेगा."
balance करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ. So much so that people are like, "Oh, he's your older brother." I'm like, "No, it's my younger brother." But so why are you not behaving your age?
That's beauty mark.
creepy.
I also have. She doesn't. Only beautiful people.
You
have.
covered it with your makeup.
Anywhere in this area, if you have like a mole, it's a beauty mark. So you have, I have. You didn't know
हाँ,
that?
पर तुम्हारे double chin में चुभ
I have
जाता है ना
14
कभी-कभी।
tills on my
ऊपर
face.
है यार, ऊपर है. डबल
क्या
chin में
double chin?
मेरे बाल छुपते हैं, ठीक है? मेरा तिल नहीं.
वो उसके बीच
You
में
don't have a
होता है।
till?
I have that.
I have till in place I can't show.
She has freckles.
I knew
though.
she was gonna
Are they natural or you did freckles?
Hey, no, it's natural. I stand in front of sun. I say, "Sun,
Burn
give
me,
dark,
burn me."
dark धब्बे
That's
दो."
very cool, but they look very like those perfect ones जो लोग बनाते हैं. That's
Guys,
all
I
you do.
really have to pee.
Now you've announced it, so you're holding it.
It's okay, I'll hold it.
I
Now
said,
I
why you're sitting very like,
And moving also, not?
oh, because when I have to usually like pee really bad, I usually get very like,
Yeah. I heard there's a hack if you just massage your calves. Apparently,
That your husband told you, na, so he can touch you.
why does he?
he doesn't have to use peeing as an excuse to touch me, marry
He
me.
देखो सुसु
He
आ रहा है,
can touch
मेरा
me.
पैर मलता हूँ.
Yeah, he has
He
full
can touch
license.
you whenever you want, whenever he wants,
He has marriage.
without your permission.
He has marriage license.
Guys, marriage में भी consent
Oh my
पूछना
God,
जरूरी
she
है,
went
please,
there.
guys.
She has to go there. She's just like, because her husband doesn't touch her. So she's like,
He touches me. Okay?
yeah, sure. Yeah, he does. Touches you.
I'm just looking at the छाते को उल्टा
Okay, now I have to because you made me laugh. Now we have to. So you do a lot of Instagram videos also, na?
I don't know, like what? Like on stories, I do rants and nonsense. Yes.
No, like with for your okay. So nowadays it's a thing now that people who especially singers are also there's a different category of singers on Instagram. Like they're making their own music, they're
Yeah.
posting. Have you tried that? Like, does that work?
I think it really works, but I'm too lazy to do it. Instagram going into YouTube, Twin Strings is this band that they've now become a full. They used to do covers, I think,
Mandy, she used to do you covers,
and now she does.
and now she has a full band.
Yeah.
and she
What about
does
Wish?
gigs.
Wish was also Instagram. The girl
No, I
band?
think Wish was not
No, Wish is a
Instagram.
proper
Proper band.
singing music. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's,
okay.
they're signed by label.
Oh.
I just am pushing you in a direction to try a new avenue.
I should actually. Now that I know you're actually serious. Yeah,
I'm
I
serious.
don't know why. I don't know why I do it. It began with, if you notice, ऐसे एक random cover मैं 6 months में डाल दूंगी and it'll always say something like, I thought so much about posting this, blah blah blah, and then I post like because I have some issues with either it should be the best or nothing. This all or nothing. I don't know,
Yeah.
ADHD or whatever. These people who became Instagram like singers or whatever didn't think about it. They
उनका
just
identity नहीं था
yeah, they were
singing
like
में.
कि मैं
They were just
सीधा कैमरा
enjoying
रख के
themselves.
गाता हूँ, which in real life I would do without thinking. Like मुझे रोड पे रोक के कोई गाने बोले, I'll be like हाँ ठीक है, and I know I'll sing also normally.
I'll give you my experience.
हाँ.
कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम कोई मिसाल नहीं है. मैं बस बोल रही हूँ कि हमने जब शुरू किया था तभी मैं बहुत ही मुझे लगता था कि यार ये क्या हम
क्या?
कर रहे हैं, हम क्या डाल रहे हैं, हम क्यों कर रहे हैं, बहुत क्रिंज है, लोग
She
और
was
जज
this.
करेंगे.
Okay,
एंड नॉट दैट वी अभी आज देखो हम कहाँ हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
I mean,
बट
kind of.
हम
You can
कहीं
play.
कुछ तो कर लिया.
You know, when she invited me, like she sent me that message, I was like, how is it? Because I watch you guys, I started following her. She was like, we would love to have you. I was like, did I finally manifest something in my life?
तो अपना
तुम single
हॉटनेस.
नहीं.
ओह कौन है वो बताओ.
I was just like, have I said? क्योंकि मैं अब तक तो अपने हार्ट ब्रेक के रो रही थी इंटरव्यूज में, तो ये क्या बोल दिया मैंने?
इसी शो पे यहाँ पे जिसको आपने मैनिफेस्ट किया, क्या आप बताना चाहेंगे कि आपका बॉयफ्रेंड कौन है?
नहीं,
Shit यार.
हमें बाद में ऐसे बता सकते हैं?
Of course.
अच्छा अभी ऐसे बता दो ना,
ऐसे बता दो.
नहीं, ये तो माइक पे चल रहा है.
ऐसे बता दो, हम डब कर लेंगे ऊपर से.
हम नहीं डालेंगे एपिसोड.
दिखाना पड़ेगा ऐसे बता के, तुम नहीं जानते हो कौन है.
अच्छा ओके.
She has the same thing on her
That's
phone.
what I said.
It's very cute.
All
You know, I
hot
ordered
girls.
black, brown and pink. They sent me 3 pinks.
I ordered black, brown and pink. They sent me 3 blacks, 2 blacks.
Who?
I ordered
flu whatever करके.
I ordered from Amazon.
साले
Same ही है.
चोर हैं सबके सब ये.
You give me one of your pink, I'll give you my black.
Okay, done.
That sounds so wrong, guys.
अच्छा listen, does Beta गाना गा के सुना follow you everywhere?
गाना गा के. They didn't need to tell me. I was like, तो मैं
मैं गाना गा
लगाओ,
के सुनाती.
मैं आती हूँ. My dad's gigs, apparently he had to keep a mic, mute वाला mic. Because एक बार उन्होंने बुला के लिया, I was somewhat 4-5
Mute
years
वाला
old.
mic.
हाँ उसको mute कर देते थे
He
mic.
just gave me, because I would refuse
हाँ,
to
okay,
get
shit.
off.
Dummy
And then
mic.
I expected कि मुझे हर शो पे बुलाएंगे. My dad was like कि क्या ये मेरा professional show चल रहा है, but I would be demanding कि hello, मुझे बुला के नहीं रहे. My mom tells me, she was like, you were such a. Recently only some auntie asked me कि she was always a performer, so my mom tells some story कि ये तो पेट में ही नाच रही होती थी, फिर बचपन में इसको गाना होता था. So I've always, they didn't have to tell me, they had to tell my brother who used to lock himself up in the bathroom. Hated singing, being on stage,
Attention.
attention, yeah. And I was like, ना मेरे को दे दो.
But he's a professional singer now.
Yeah, he switched in college. कुछ तो हुआ उसका कि अभी
Puberty.
आप पहले नीचे उतर चल. बस हो गया अभी भाई.
Really?
Yeah.
हमारा कितना म्यूजिकल हाउसहोल्ड होगा ना. तुम लोग गा वा के लड़ते हो क्या?
हम लड़ते ही हैं बस. मैं वही बोलने वाली थी. गाने तो पता नहीं, पर लड़ते बहुत हैं. Everyone's very loud.
I
Very
can say that because
opinionated.
I'm also
Loud.
very loud background.
Yeah. Even when we are normally talking, it's like we are arguing only.
Right.
And then my mom will gaslight everyone. पहले तू धीरे बात कर. I'm like, you started. You literally were like,
हाँ.
तुझे समझ में नहीं आती है. And I'm like, मम्मी क्यों पहले lower volume. You're like, what?
Tell us about your worst recording day ever.
Honestly, because I have this मुझे देख के लगता नहीं, but थोड़े टाइम पहले तक तो inferiority complex था एक कुछ. If I failed at one line, it would be like a block कि ये तो मुझसे होगा ही नहीं.
Same. You guys
तो
have lots
एक-
of similar
Yeah.
traits. Huh?
Are you Gemini?
I'm Aries.
Aries.
Ooh.
Aries is what?
Fire.
After Pisces.
Okay.
Aries is Ram.
Okay, हाँ.
Ram.
So Jan, Feb, March, April, May.
April.
April.
April. March and April.
March
your
and
birthday?
April.
When's
You
your
know so much about this.
Because I'm Pisces. I know.
I'm Gemini.
हाँ, so
Continue.
Okay.
हाँ, what happens and you feel like तुमसे होगा ही नहीं.
हाँ मतलब and कभी कभी वो हो जाता है when the music director, but in the beginning there were a couple of times where I was just that one line again and again and again until that music director figured out that when I'm not saying okay, recording, I was casually singing rehearsal ke time, like humming perfectly. So he started recording me while I was like practicing or whatever. But it was like 3 baje the raat ke and I was like मुझे तो गाना ही नहीं आता. I think कुछ 1 घंटा हम वो एक लाइन पे अटके हुए थे and I was done. I was like मैं छोड़ रही हूँ ये industry because it was right after Rosta. So शुरू में.
Oh,
But yeah, he was sweet enough. But I remember that day I was like, नहीं होगा
you
ये.
got stuck.
I got stuck. And it happens very often. But until that time, I had not figured out ki, okay, don't take
That's
it
a
personally.
very scary feeling.
It's very
Very scary feeling.
Keech Meri Photo was
Meri
the
Photo.
first song that you ever sang and it became
Kind
such
of.
a big hit.
That's actually true. That was a very great experience. But I was actually kind of little bit
Cocky.
yeah, not cocky. Himesh Ji, HR. All of
Himesh Ji,
the-
I love him.
He's
We
such
are
You have his
we are
number?
Himesh fans.
Yeah, what should I give you? He
Which number were you giving where he replies?
Someone's number where you're like, I need to get in touch, like his engineer or something.
Engineer.
Why did you make it so sexual?
Everything can be sexual.
Engineer is very sexy.
Say any word, we'll make it sexual. Any.
Say any word.
Potato.
Potato.
Okay, wait. Tadpatri.
Tadpatri.
Everything comes.
She's better at this. I couldn't do that.
I'm more experienced. Huh? My husband touches me.
I was like, she won't go there, but she went.
My husband doesn't only touch me, he slams me. He rails me. These are the Gen Z terms apparently. Slamming and railing.
I'm pretty sure these are millennial terms. by the way.
No.
No,
We recently read them.
You knew
Railing
slam
तो
and
पहले भी
rail.
बोलते थे.
Railing तुम बोलती थी? Come
मैं
rail me.
मैं तो नहीं बोलती थी. मैंने तो कभी कुछ किया ही
You
नहीं.
know, last night he just slammed me.
Slammed. मतलब domestic abuse और उसमें फर्क ही
फर्क
नहीं
नहीं है.
समझ आता.
Listen, Gen Z is a very messed up, twisted, if you think
But
about
that's
it.
our audience. So we love you. Love
Very
you, Gen Z.
messed up,
हाँ.
like the best kind of, what brains they have. Wow.
आपको हनी सिंह ने भी मेंटोर किया है?
Mika Singh.
मीका सिंह ने.
He was the one who apparently that's what they told me. Saw that मैंने cover किया था brown रंग पे, दांत पे lipstick लगी हुई थी मेरी college में कुछ भी time pass. So he saw that and he was like, we should get her on. Because I was trying to be Honey Singh.
तुमने रजत के साथ एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप की तो
हम्म.
मतलब आप एक्टिंग में दिलचस्पी रखती हो और आप कर भी रही हो.
मैंने acting से शुरू किया था. फिर
Oh.
मेरे dad ने बोला कि इधर आओ. But back when I was like 10th की छुट्टियां होती है ना जब boarding. So तभी I was doing a Punjabi daily soap as like a full lead. It was a big show. Poonam Dhillon was my mom.
Oh,
I was just doing it because मुझे तो मजा आता है whatever. Then Mika's band happened. I used to also do perform in colleges, मतलब अपने fests वगैरह में. But when I think he was the reason I joined Mika ji was, I'm supposed to call him that, was
ये करना होता है ना.
नहीं वो तो गुरुजी को
गुरुजी
करना होता है. वो मैं अभी भी नहीं करती.
Good.
I don't know why people do that.
Why? Like
Just respect
what
them
are
in
they-
your heart. No,
yeah,
it's
ये
like
कान में क्या है?
sorry मैं आपका नाम ले रहा हूँ.
ओ अच्छा नाम नहीं
गुरुजी
लेते.
का नाम नहीं लेते.
ओ ऐसे तो सॉरी.
वो नाम दिया तो माफी मांगो.
You've learned classical music, na?
कथक.
Really?
वे.
I tried learning. 5 classes I did बस.
थक गई तुम. थक गई.
नहीं मतलब हाँ I don't know, I got lazy. So that I wanted to act, but then dad was like तुम ये करो. No, dad didn't say that. तभी gigs आ रहे थे. Mika wanted me to join the band because he literally saw me grow up. He used to come home. So he was like, what is she doing? This Miss Malad, Miss Lokhandwala. That's what he thought I was doing. Dad was like ये करो and I was always like हाँ मैं एक बार singing कर लेती हूँ फिर acting करूँगी. Not realizing age is a factor and useless. Then after this Big Boss fiasco, I got out and I had decided that I'm finally going to take this seriously because this is what I wanted to genuinely do. And then this show happened on Sony Live, Chamak. They got in touch with me and I had done Mukesh Chabra's workshop, like first workshop when he started Just Act. He remembered from there when the director got in touch with him that I want to take Akasa and this. He was like, हाँ
Wow.
उसको आता है वो blah blah blah. And they called me and I was traveling. And I got the show and I was like,
Amazing.
and then I did Rajat sir's workshop because everyone in that show had gotten a workshop apart from me. Because I was a
Oh.
last minute casting.
That's
But,
okay.
Because I've
What's
always been on
yours?
the other side.
What's yours
Will
will come
always-
to you even
yeah.
if it's beneath 2 mountains, and what isn't yours, it will never come to you even if it's between your 2 lips.
Why would something be between my 2 lips?
some things can be, but not most things.
But why is it between my 2 lips?
If it's not mine, why am I putting it in my mouth?
Huh?
So this apple, it was not yours.
Don't ask me that question.
Wait, 1 second.
Don't ask me why you're putting it in the mouth.
Is this
I
someone
will have
else's?
to answer.
It's fine, na?
Yeah, now it's hers.
Yeah. This you will eat this?
No.
No.
You cannot ask
Why
me
you kept it back? Now eat it.
I'm actually allergic to apples.
why you're putting things in your mouth.
You put it in your mouth if
You're allergic to apples?
I have like a pollen thing, so whoever has a pollen allergy should not ideally have apples.
Oh, I wish I knew this.
Raw
about
apples.
Who cooks apples?
Apple pie?
Stewed apple.
एक गाना था ना? Pen pineapple, apple pen.
Yeah.
आपका आ क्या रहा है? आप
आ क्या रहा है
हाँ,
बताइए?
थोड़े दिनों में एक पिक्चर में गाना आ रहा है
ओह।
फिर उसकी थोड़े दिनों के बाद एक और पिक्चर में गाना
पक्का
आ
आ
रहा
रहा
है
है?
Picture का
वो
नाम
आइए,
ही बता
पिक्चर
दो।
के बाद पता
Can I
चलेगा.
say something?
हाँ.
ये सारे मेरे जो गाने आए बाय द वे मुझे एक दिन पहले या आने के बाद पता भी चला है
हाँ.
ये भी कि मैंने नहीं गाया और ये भी कि मैंने
मैं
गाया
गाया
है
है.
So I feel like I can say this तब तक आ ही जाएगा
हाँ हाँ.
right
हाँ हाँ.
Pritam Da who like I love with all my heart
Oh, we
was
all
like
We also love
yeah
it with all
everyone
our
does and if you get to know him as a human he's literally the sweetest cutest person he deserves where he is he's a
Hmm.
genius
Hmm.
but like a teddy bear genius very cute so he was like, are you free on the 23rd? Blah, blah, blah. I was like, yeah, Dada, what? He's like, there's some music. There is a Spotify music launch. And so you, and I was like, okay, yeah, I'll come. Maybe. He's like, you've sung na, those 5 lines in that song. I was like, which song? He's like, you won't remember. You've sung, it's just 5 lines. I was like, which song? He's like, वो metro अभी जो आ रहा है उसमें गाया. I was like,
जो हमारी ऑडियंस है जो गाना गाती है
yes.
आप उनको कुछ टिप्पणी देना चाहोगी?
मतलब there's only one. It sounds the most cliche, but it's not. You cannot survive in this if you don't have patience and वो एक word है ना perseverance.
Yes. Perseverance.
Perseverance. But because you do not know how much time it's gonna take, and unfortunately, इतना talent है. The only thing is, I've seen so many examples of people जो लगे हुए थे, जिन्होंने मेरे से पहले शुरू किया था या मेरे बाद, पर वो लगे हुए हैं और वो पहुंच चुके हैं कहीं ना कहीं. And
Like
even
it out.
people who used to not sing at some point, like
Mm.
when I met them, they were very okay singers. They worked on their voice. There's someone who's right now doing so well. Worked on his voice, worked on everything, and right now he's viral everywhere. You require that extra patience and extra एकदम कड़क दिल क्योंकि रोज rejections मिलेंगे और वो जो हार्ट ब्रेक होता है ना तुमने इतना अच्छा गाया और 4-5 बार गाया and you're like अब तो ये मेरी आवाज में आएगा. Don't tell anyone. This is major टिप्पणी. Just keep it to yourself. Let it release and then be like, hi mummy मैंने ये गाना गाया आ गया.
कभी कभी तो पता भी नहीं चलता कि तुमने गाया after it coming out.
No, when it comes out I come to know. Like Malik, I came to know when they tagged me.
It's always a surprise.
I was like, it's not like
When will it-
Ethia, I came to know a day before because Vishal is a good friend. He was like, oh, listen, I would like to apologize. Because I knew Bharat is coming. I knew मैंने गाया है. And I was like, these two don't replace. Like Vishal Shekhar, don't do that. They only dub people who they want. When he called me and he was like, listen, I'm really sorry. And I was like,
He's a
"Shit,
replacement
nahi
call.
hua." Then he was like, I'm really sorry, but the voice you sang with, that's changed. Someone else is now singing with you. I was like, मेरे को सुना नहीं फर्क पड़ता. I was like, what?
Why are you apologizing?
मैं
to me?
थोड़ी दोस्त
I
बन
was like,
गई.
oh, it's okay. I was like, मेरी आवाज है ना?
Oh
Yeah. It's like,
Okay, let's play a game. Let's
yay,
play a
finally.
game.
Two girls play a game, play a game.
So the game is called Music Grab.
ये गेम तो बॉम्बे में खेलते हैं रास्ते पे.
Music Grab.
म्यूजिक में जाके ग्रैब करते हैं लड़की.
म्यूजिक बजेगा और उस गाने में या तो वर्ड होगा या कुछ इंडिकेशन होगा ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट and you
Okay.
have to grab that object. Whoever grabs first
But you
wins.
have made this game. How can you play?
I don't remember the songs at all.
ठीक है, पता चल जाएगा जब कोई जीतेगा या नहीं जीतेगा.
Okay, ठीक है मैं नहीं खेलती.
नहीं नहीं
नहीं
खेल.
नहीं नहीं
अरे
नहीं
खेल.
अरे
नहीं
नहीं,
नहीं
नहीं नहीं अरे चलना है.
अरे नहीं, नहीं.
अच्छा ठीक है मत
अरे
खेल.
नहीं.
ओके नहीं खेलती.
नहीं,
अच्छा
नहीं,
ओके चल ठीक है खेलती. हो गया. जिसके पास एंड में सबसे ज्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट हुए वो जीता. ओके
इस पे कॉपीराइट लगेगा इस गेम पे.
नहीं मुड़ा.
रख लो अपने पास.
साबुन साबुन के चक्कर.
भाग भाग बोस भाग ठीक है बोस भाग.
धागा क्यों नहीं?
धागा
She has made this game.
रखो अपने पास.
Guys आपको समझ आ रहा है गेम?
I know the song, but what the hell is this?
गा दो.
कमरिया.
Kamariya, hilar.
Fuck, you're damn good at this game, yeah.
I don't really remember.
मोह के धागे.
मैं पकड़ रही थी. ये मोमो के धागे है ही नहीं.
छत टपके आवांगे तेरे जमका नहीं है उसमें कहाँ से
You can't just pick up anything.
Is it right?
No, it's not.
I don't know. No. Okay.
लॉक हो गई मेरी छत टपके
चलने दे।
आवांगे
Sing ना, sing ना।
के जावांगी तुझ पे नजर ब्लॉक हो गई मेरी
वो जीत रही है यार। क्या कर रही है तू? खाता तो खोल अपना।
मेरे को नहीं आता ये, मैं नहीं कर सकती।
मसाला किली किली है किली किली है किले किले ओ हाँ मेरे गाने मेरे को बताओगे ना कह रही हूँ मर जानी
मेरा गाना बजाओ। चीटिंग।
ठीक है हो गया झुमका गिरा के मैंने
ले ले तुम सब ले लो।
मैंने
Okay, I'll do this.
आँखों
इनमें से एक होगा ही ये।
गुस्ताखियाँ।
Oh, shit.
You know what? I just didn't.
Are you serious? तुम ही रख लो।
बीड़ी जला ही ले लो
अरे
जलाओ
जला-
यार इसको
Guys, I won.
Akasha, clearly you have the most knowledge.
Yay!
You have won.
Yeah, you have more
Because
knowledge in
two
your
songs-
own music.
Yeah, yeah, two
And
songs of
आपका
mine.
winning prize है ये सारी चीजें जो आपने रखी थी। You can
Oh.
make your own छोटे।
ये कहाँ से?
ये आपने कहा
This is the answer I gave, but just got Nimbu answer.
Sing your favorite song.
Do I have to sing my own song?
any song you want.
Yes. नी मैं ढूंढती फिरां नी मैं भागती फिरां मैं नैया बेपरवाह बस खुदी मेरी ढूंढ दे फिरां नी मैं ते सारे आदा रब राखा ते सारे आदा रब राखा
Two girls and two guys. Two girls and two cups. Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never.
Keep listening.
Bye.
Ciao.
Sayonara.
Alvida.
Hare.